Hello everyone. Now I am going to show you how to remove this background from this image. It is looking so difficult, but I make this easier. Let's go how to do this. Go to channels and select the blue channels. Then go to image and calculation and blue and 100% it is okay, and then again go to calculation and 100% it's okay. Now that it is select. Now then go to more than image and it is 50% opacity, 50%, 30%, it's the best. Okay, now go to image and adjustment and level. Now level looks the image. I want to two color all the image, black and white for this. I think it is perfect. Now I am going to use brush tool so more perfect select. At first I select easiest part by pen tool. Use pen tool, click here, 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 and elip alter, then here, and then here, and now and here. This go to path and control and paste, select and go to edit and fill, add color and select here color, the color. Okay, now control D, deselect. Now I am use brush tool to press control and click here. Our control D, image adjustment level, now control select selected area. Now go to layer and copy the layer and press delete. Press delete. Now Ctrl D and new layer, solid color, and you can change this in every color.